and vlog. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing this thing. This is a 67 Camaro. It is from the series SW Dream Garage. So here is it. It looks really nice in the front of the cart, and it's a 2026 mainline. So yeah, and here's the back of the cart. Let's see. And here's some licensing information. And it is a shortcut like those. So yeah, except that because it's a long cut. So I'm now unboxing it. So I'm waiting for some seconds. So here's the card, and here's the card. The card looks really nice. It is in this gold color. The color is really nice. I really like this color because it just looks like a golden bar. So yeah. And here's some black accents here. See? So yeah, it looks really nice. And here's the front of the car. It has nice details, not bad accents. So yeah, it looks really nice. And here is the roof. There's some black lines here. So yeah, see, and here's it. So here's the tire. The tire looks really nice, not bad actually. So yeah, here Hot Wheels flag is here again, like always. And see, here is it. The design looks really nice. And here's some chrome finish here. Nice actually. And there is no details in the back, which is not good because yeah. But here's some chrome finish here again. So here is it, and here's the other side. This is the same as the other one. So here's the base, and here is more chrome finish here, and the interior is also chrome. You can see, this looks really nice, and it just sparkles a lot. You can see. So yeah, this is all for today. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, share this video. Bye. Thank you for watching this video again.